Oh, it's Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout. Today I'm going to do a leg workout, and I'm going to use this chair to do a leg workout. It's a small chair. I've also done videos where I've used a stool to do the leg lifts with the calf raise, but today I'm going to use a lower angle chair to do the leg lifts with calf raises. This is a very nice leg workout that you can do easily at home with a chair or a stool. You can even do it at a table, hopefully a sturdy table. Be sure you don't break your furniture. A lot of furniture these days is, they don't make things like they used to. So be careful if you're using modern furniture, which can be very cheap and very flimsy, and you don't want it to break and you fall down and injure yourself, something like that. This chair is pretty good. It's a pretty good chair for doing a leg workout. I can also use a table to do it and get a higher angle. I've done videos where I've done leg workouts with the stool, and you can bring your legs down further. With a smaller chair like this, I can't bring my legs down as far as I'm doing the exercise. So let me just demonstrate it, so just talking about it. So I just stick my foot about halfway on the chair, like so, and then okay, and then just kind of bring my foot down, bring my knee down to the opposite side of my leg, and just kind of let the leg drag. Okay, this is a very doesn't look like much, but it's a really nice, really effective leg workout, body weight leg workout. And we get the calf raise in there. You can get some nice calf workout. Get a nice calf workout as well. Really gives you a nice burn right away, basically right off the bat. Really nice leg workout. Okay. So, and then just one leg at a time. Again, foot about halfway on the chair. Bring your knee to the opposite side. Put your hands on the back of the chair, top of the back of the chair, just for balance. But all your weight is going to be on your one leg, okay? Come up as quickly as you can and come down slowly. Just like with any exercise. Go up quickly and down slowly. Be sure you breathe normally. Okay. And as you're doing this, you can do it at different angles. You can do it, with your body, just pushing your body straight up. You can push your body sort of this way, or you can kind of even push your body back this way, which is a little more challenging because then you have to worry about balancing the chair and the chair falling over if you're going to try to push your body this way. This workout, I'm kind of pushing my body this way, kind of leaning into the chair. Again, putting my knee to the opposite side of my foot, and then coming up as quickly as possible and getting that calf raise at the end. Okay? So, switch back and forth. Really gives you a nice burn. Okay? Hands are only on the back of the chair for balance. Only. It's a really nice leg workout. You really will feel the burn almost immediately on the first set because it's just a very effective workout. Okay, so let's keep going without resting too long between sets. Okay. And you can really hold that calf raise too. You can really hold that calf position. It's a really nice calf workout. Really build those calf muscles. Okay. Yeah, that is a nice leg workout. you do enough of these, you'll have trouble walking upstairs. You know you've had a good leg workout when you have trouble walking up the stairs the next day, which is not a pleasant feeling, but it does tell you that you got a really nice leg workout. Okay. Okay, those are getting pretty tough now. Okay, those are getting pretty tough. You can also, I'm a big fan of frog jumps. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, the frog jumps are fantastic. You can mix them with any other leg workout. And frog jumps, you basically jump up and down like a frog. I'll demonstrate, of course. I usually do frog jumps after my primary leg workout. Okay, so let's finish this one up. You just really hold that calf raise, which is really nice. It's a great calf raise. Okay, so I'm starting to reach my terminal points of failure. When you start to reach your terminal points of failure, or you start to you reach your maximum levels of fatigue and failure with the muscles, what you can do is just really focus on the negative resistance as you're coming down. As you can't bring yourself up as many times as you could at the beginning stages of the exercise. So really focus on the negative. Focus on holding as long as possible as you're coming down. Make it even slower. Okay, because time you won't be able to bring it up because you're starting to reach your maximum levels of fatigue. Yeah, and that's it's getting pretty fatiguey. Getting pretty fatigued. All right, so I'm going to try a couple more, just a couple more exercises using with this exercise. A couple more sets with this exercise, and then I'm going to jump to the frog jumps. Jump to the frog jumps. Okay, and then so it's without ruminating about it too long. Yeah, so it's getting tough now. So just try to hold as long as possible. The last ones. Yeah, my legs are actually getting pretty fatigued. Yeah. All right, so that completed. Move the chair out of the way. Frog jumps, okay? So just sit like a frog, basically, and just move, up and down like a frog. And when you mix this, when you mix the frog jumps with another leg workout, you will feel the burn. The burn will be immediate. Because the frog jumps, really accentuate or, what should I say, exacerbate the exercise that you already did in a positive way. Exacerbate, usually has negative consequences, negative connotations, negative connotations, but it really just exacerbates the exercise that you've already done. It increases it. All right. Okay. Okay, you notice with the frog jumps, you're getting a thigh workout and leg workout overall, but you're also getting another calf raise. So again, in addition to the calf raise that we initially did on the chair, you're getting an additional calf raise with the frog jumps. So it's accentuating, accentuating the exercise that you're already building upon the exercise that you're already done. that you've already done the foundation of that. All right. Make sure you breathe out as you come up. Breathe out as you come up, and you will feel those. You will feel those frog jumps. It's a nice exercise on its own. Frog jumps are a very good exercise on their own. You know. But it's even better when you mix it with something else. Another strength training exercise. This is strength training and aerobics. Oh. Oh, just be careful you don't fall over. If you get really tired and your legs can get really tired, and then you can lose balance and fall over, which I haven't done yet, but certainly is possible. There's a first time for everything, isn't there? Yeah? All right, getting close to the end here. All right, do a couple more frog jumps, and then probably won't be able to walk tomorrow, but it's okay. It really, really impacts your legs severely. Whew. Well, man, what a great workout. And it really tones your legs up, makes your legs look great. So, the beach weather now. It is summer, so it's beach weather now. Boy, is it hot outside. Boy, was it hot last night, too. Summer's definitely here. Okay, I think now one more set of frog jumps that we should call it a workout. Call it a day, call it a workout. Call it what you will. Very good workout. Excellent leg workout. At home, and you know what? One of the benefits is you can get so creative. One of the benefits of a home body weight workout is there's so much variation. There's unlimited. You can be so creative with things. Objects around your home. Positions, body positions. Okay. Yeah, I almost fell over that time. That would have been the first time. All right. Anyway, so that is it. That's the leg workout. It's really not so difficult. Let me pull up a chair here and sit down. Have a discussion. Me and your mother want to discuss something with you. No, but that is a fantastic leg workout. It looks like nothing. It's just like a chair and some silly guy jumping like a frog. Maybe he's lost his mind. But no, it's actually a fantastic workout. You exercise your legs in your calves and your primary part of your legs, your upper legs. But at the same time, you do the frog jumps. You get some aerobics in there. So if you want to burn fat on your legs or in your whole body, then you can do that too. And so you're working back and forth, and man, you will feel it the next day. If you try to walk upstairs or anything else, to do with your legs, try to run or something like that, your legs will be pretty sore. Just if you've never done them before, really, really, really will. And if you've done them, if you have been doing them a lot, then maybe you won't feel it as much. If you start doing that workout right away, you'll really feel it the next day, and which is fantastic. That means you're building. If you don't feel it, that means nothing's building. If you don't feel anything, that means nothing's building. So you want to make sure that you vary your workout. So you do feel some soreness. You always feel some soreness and some tightness in your muscles in the following days. Anyway, so this is Byron, and thank you for joining me. Fantastic workout. Again, I hope you liked it. And anyway, this is Byron signing off. Keep motivated to work out at home. So easy, cheap, free, be creative. You can do it in your spare time, and you will get a good workout. Don't be a skeptic. Anyway, stay strong, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.